Hello, another AQA A-level Physics multi-choice question. If you want a similar but different question, click on the information badge up here. If you want to answer the question yourself, why don't you pause the video now? If you got the answer D, well done. So, which is a description of the pattern produced when monochromatic light passes through a very narrow slit? So we're getting light passing through a single slit. Let's show the light. There's the light. It's passing through a single slit, and on the screen over here, when it's going through a single slit, we get an interesting pattern. We always get a very bright and wide central fringe, and then we get other fringes that are half the width of the original, and they get fainter very, very rapidly. Not doing a very good job of showing them being half the width. Okay. Sometimes they're drawn like this, but more often we tend to draw them as an intensity. And the intensity would be, if I draw intensity there, we would have the intensity of light would be very intense for the central slit and wide. Then we go very quickly, the intensity drops almost to nothing and half the width. So if that is X, or you'll do a better job of drawing these, I hope, then that width there is X over 2. Okay, so a series of equally spaced light and dark fringes. Note they're not equally spaced. As I said, the central one is double the width of the other fringes. A narrow central maximum. No, it's a wide central maximum. A few bright fringes that are widely spaced. No, there's only really one bright fringe. These other fringes are very, very not bright at all. A wide central maximum, yes, with narrower side fringes, absolutely. Answer D. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit that subscribe button, share the video with people who are going to find it useful, and watch more of them. Thank you for watching.